Hi everyone, welcome to Nursing University channel. This time we will introduce an electric tricycle with a unique design and large capacity. Front hydraulic damping, rear spring damping. The three-wheeled electric motorcycle adopts hydraulic shock absorption and springs, runs smoothly, is not afraid of impact, provides a comfortable riding experience, and adapts to more complex road conditions. This electric motorcycle is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes. The front and rear disc brake design is conducive to the efficient braking and quick response of the electric motorcycle. The braking process can be carried out with less force, providing a faster and safer braking effect. Powerful 1,500-watt aluminum wheel motor, strong climbing power. The maximum speed of the electric tricycle can reach 30 to 45 kilometers per hour. Lithium charging mileage is 35 to 50 kilometers. The motorcycle has 2 battery compartments. You can buy additional batteries to increase the range. 18-inch fat tire, 18-inch fat road tires. The scooter has good grip on flat roads, making turning and acceleration more comfortable, not noisy, comfortable driving. We are a factory producing and developing electric scooters for nearly 10 years. We have a first-class after-sales team. If your scooter is looking to upgrade or replace a part, we offer all of these parts for purchase. We have a dedicated after-sales team, first-class maintenance engineers. For more information about this product, please visit us now from the link below this video. Thank you for watching.